Welcome back to economics learning. Today we discuss importance role of foreign aid or economic justification of foreign aid or international borrowing. First one is to remove paucity of capital. The countries like Pakistan are entrapped in vicious circle of poverty because of low income. The saving ratio remains low because of low saving. The investment level remains low. Again, because of low income and low taxable capacity remain low, and the government's earning also remain low. The deficit financing has to be restored with great care. In such situation, a country has to face the shortage of funds. On the other hand, because of greater rise in the population, the demand for road, hospital, college, water and whatnot goes on to increase. Therefore, to meet such demands to and break the vicious circle of poverty, the foreign aid becomes necessary. Second one is removal of technological backwardness. In underdeveloping countries, there is existing technical backwardness. Because of this situation, not only the costs are higher, but the capital output ratio is also fairly high. Because of foreign assistance, not only there will be an inflow of capital, but the better technical progress know how to advanced knowledge will also move in underdeveloping countries. The combination of modern techniques and foreign capital will be helpful in removing economic backwardness. Third point is construction of infrastructure. Construction of infrastructure, the roads, the dams, and the powerhouse, railways, tracks, etc., serve as the basic infrastructure of the society. To provide infrastructure, not only the heavy funds are required, but the necessary skills personnel are also needed. Such becomes possible because of foreign financing, as the case of the construction of superhighway between Karachi to Hyderabad became possible due to the foreign aid. Again, the construction of motorway from Lahore to Islamabad has been made with Korean assistance. Fourth point is establishment of key industries. The countries like Pakistan do not possess sufficient funds to establish the key industries like steel and iron, automobiles, light and heavy engineering. Therefore, the need for the foreign aid is realized in the establishment of steel, iron, and engineering industries. No country has been found exception to it, as in most of the countries the steel, iron, and industries came into being with the foreign assistance, as the case of Pakistan Steel, which was set up with the Russian assistance. Fifth point is exploration of natural resources. In so many poor countries, there exist the deposits of oil, gas, iron, and other minerals, but the resources at the disposal of the poor countries are not adequate. To explore the extract these resources, therefore, for the sake of exploration and extraction of the natural resources, as the foreign aid accompanied by technical assistance becomes inevitable. As in the case of our country, the Middle East, the oil and gas is being explored with the assistance of international companies and World Bank. Sixth point is rising the level of employment. Because of technical and financial assistance, the process of internationalization and industrialization can be set up in the country. The increased industrialization will have the effect of rising the level of employment. This is especially true in case of poor countries like Pakistan, where the population is rapidly increasing and landward are getting incapacitated to employ the ever increasing population. Therefore, to enhance employment opportunities, the foreign financing can play an important role. Seventh point is external and internal economies of scale. The foreign resources will encourage the attainment of internal as well as external economies. The foreign investment will create a competition amongst the domestic products. In this way, the efforts will be made to reduce the cost and prepare import substitutes in the country. The research and development activities will increase. The technical development will take place on the ground of technology transfer. The allied industries will develop and complementary goods could be produced. In addition to these internal economies, certain external economies like mining, extraction and exploration activities will also take place. These internal and external economies play an important role in economic development of the country. 8 point is economic and social changes. Because of foreign inflow of capital, technology, culture and skill, the change in socio-economic setup of a country occurs. The lifestyle of the people changes, educational and technical education gets popular, the narrow life of the village comes to an end, the skill of the people improve, the export, promotion and import substitution activities are promoted, wages and income of people increases and the chance of employment particularly for women increases. The standard of living of the people improves and the market are extended, etc. 9 point is removal of BOP deficit. The underdeveloping countries like Pakistan have to face a conflicting problem of economic development and removal of deficit in BOP, balance of payment. The craze of to development as soon as possible necessitates the growth of import sector. Accordingly, to make the payments for imports, there should be a smooth supply of foreign exchange in the country, but it is not so as far as Pakistan is concerned. Over export are the agriculture and primary nature. The quantum of exports is low. There are heavy fluctuations in the prices of export and the export comprise only a few goods. In such a situation, we have to face deficit in balance of payment. This has become a very acute problem for our country. Therefore, the developing countries as Pakistan have to depend upon foreign assistance for the removal of deficit in balance of payment. In this context, it is the IMF which performs the function of the providing credit facilities. Last 10 point is increased government's revenues. In addition to industrialization, because of foreign assistance and foreign investment, the foreign resources inflow also gives rise to the government revenues in the form of the customs duties, excise tax, sales tax, income and wealth tax, etc. Those we conclude that foreign aid and assistance plays an important role in the poor country like Pakistan. Next, we see that foreign assistance from the donor point and view and recipient point of view. Thanks for watching.